Did you know Jesus once revealed one of the biggest secrets about who he was to a woman most people in his time would have refused to even look at? It happened at a well in Samaria. Jews and Samaritans hated each other. Men did not speak publicly to women they did not know, and this particular woman had a past that made her an outcast even among her own people. Jesus crossed every one of those lines without hesitation. He asked her for water. She was shocked. He knew her whole story, every broken relationship, every hidden thing, and he did not walk away. He sat with her. He spoke truth to her. And then he told her something he had told almost no one else. He told her exactly who he was. She ran back to her village and told everyone. And many of them believed because of her words. The most unlikely person in the most unlikely place became the first evangelist in the Gospel of John. God does not avoid the people the world has given up on. He goes looking for them. Subscribe for more stories like this one.